In this tutorial from Sofa Rehab, we will be demonstrating how to carry out a successful and permanent cosmetic leather repair to a worn corner of a brown lounge. We have prepared ourselves by setting out the contents of the repair kit so everything is within easy reach and ready to use. Following the instructions enclosed with your repair kit, you will find the chart that gives you an easy to follow step-by-step guide. To repair the area, we start with step 1, the prep wash. Wet the lint-free cloth with the leather prep wash, or you can also spray this directly onto and around the repair area and gently wipe away any dirt, oils or contaminants. Allow the area to dry, but you can speed up this process by using a hairdryer. However, do take care not to overheat the leather and keep the hairdryer constantly moving. Step 2 is to lightly sand the area to remove any rough spots and also to prepare the leather for colorant. We have chosen to use the 600 grade grit paper because we only want to lightly abrade the surface. Step 3 is to wipe the area clean with a lint-free cloth dampened with water. Allow this to dry naturally or again use the hairdryer. Finally, we apply the colorant. Always make sure you have given the bottle a really good shake before use. Using the cotton tips provided, we soak the end in colorant and then with light, even strokes, wipe the cotton tip over the repair area. Our colorant has a built-in sealant, has great adhesion properties and is flexible, meaning it will not crack or flake off following correct application. Allow this coat of colorant to fully dry either naturally or with the hairdryer and apply further layers as required. We are now applying the colorant in a different direction for even coverage. Again, always allow each coat to fully dry before applying the next. All our Sofa Rehab stock colorants are pre-mixed and the colorants for many popular brands are mixed to order. Each kit comes with up to 4 tinters to use if you find the colour is not quite right. Not forgetting, if you're not sure which colour you need, you can order up to 3 leather samples from our website. We now wipe over the repaired area with the dry lint-free cloth and you can see that the colorant, once dry, does not transfer onto the cloth nor will it onto your clothing. Thank you for watching, and as you can see, no experience is needed for a near perfect repair.